Hello, this is Luna, and today we are going to introduce some products in our company. Behind us, there is a big size fuel dispenser.
Yes.
Edwin, what's the name of it?
Oh, we call Night Plus is here
Oh, here, Night Plus.
because this has LPG dispenser and fuel dispenser
LPG
together,
and-
complete one.
Okay, it's so beautiful. And notice that there is 6 nozzles, right?
Yes.
And,
this has two nozzles here, another has two nozzles, and
Okay.
plus LPG, totally is 6 nozzles.
Okay, this is for LPG.
Yes.
And these 2 nozzles, can they work at the same time?
Couldn't because this is only one display.
Okay.
So just you take the one nozzle, this unit price will display here. Will be
Okay.
changed.
So only
Yes.
one nozzle can work.
Yes, only one nozzle can work because only one display. This is a Europe types.
Okay. And
Yes.
which countries like this model?
This model usually popular in Middle Asia.
Middle Asia.
Yes, and the Ukraine and the Russia.
Oh, so many countries.
Yes.
And I noticed there is a red button. What's this?
Okay, let me
Inside
s-
here.
Okay. This is for emergency time. Sometimes you have emergency, you can just push the buttons, the power cut off, and you can keep the station more safety.
Oh, it can stop the power. Can
Yeah.
I have a try?
Yes, why not?
Pushes the button and the power cut it.
Yes.
So how to recover it?
Yeah, turn around.
Turn around.
Turn around. Yes, come back.
Okay, it comes back.
Wanting a few seconds, everything come back.
Oh, it comes back.
Yes.
So such a big size, how to pack it?
We can use hardened cartons or the wood case based on you. If you for the inline transfer, we suggest you use wooden case.
Oh, so it's better to use the wooden case.
Uh,
And I noticed that there is one screen, and the sale later price are just
inside.
inside.
For sell later price,
Yes.
if you from the Russian market, right?
Yes.
And the Middle Asia, Ukraine,
Yeah.
we can paint the Russian language.
Oh,
If you from the market like the Arabic countries in Middle East, we can
Yes.
paint in the Arabic. If you from the Thailand and the Laos
Yes.
and the Myanmar and the Philippines, we can use the local language. It's no
oh, so
problem.
it can design any language as
Yes,
you like.
it's based on you.
Okay. So I noticed that there is a liter. How
Yeah.
about a gallon?
We can use a gallon, no problem.
Oh,
But you should tell answer. You need ampere gallon or the US gallon.
okay.
One is American standard, another one is British standard.
Yes. So you need to tell us when you put orders.
Yes, you need to tell us which one you like.
Okay. And what's this? There's 2 small holes, and inside have some numbers.
Yeah, it's measurement totalizer.
Oh, it's a totalizer.
Yes, it's totalizer for this one, for this nozzle,
Oh,
this one, and for
okay.
this
They are
nozzle.
separated.
Yes, separate.
Okay. And this is the keypad.
Yes.
The material is metal.
Yes, so the raw material is a stainless steel. This one.
Okay. So how about the plastic?
Yes, we have. I can show you later.
Okay.
Yes.
And how about the colors?
The colors for standard, we have 3 colors.
3 colors.
3 colors for standard.
Okay.
Blue color, blue backlight, and white words, and
Yes.
yellow backlight, and black words. Last one is a white
White
background and the black words. Yes.
Okay, but I think this blue color I like it very much. Looks very clear.
Okay. This is based on your required.
Yeah. And
Yes.
I noticed there is
This
What's
is
this for LPG?
This is for pressure. You
Oh.
can see the pressure directly here. If the pressure is too high, you need to close on or off type.
Oh, there is a on-off
like
switch.
another switch. Because
Okay.
LPG nozzle don't have another switch. You need on, another switch open. There
Oh.
can be going.
Yes.
If you look off type, don't have anything here.
Oh, so the function is different from emergency stop button.
Yes, 100 different.
Okay, and
Yes.
LPG also shows liter. So how about use kilogram?
We can do it. You need to issue the later firstly.
Yes.
Here you had you can see each.
Oh, it can shows H, so it means use kilogram.
It's kilogram, yes.
Okay.
Because it's K, we cannot make it as a K.
Okay, so
we make
use
it as
H.
Yes.
So may I open it to have a look of
yes.
the inside structure?
Yes, for LPG or fuel dispenser.
Fuel dispenser.
Okay. You want to see controller first, right?
Oh, I think it's very convenient as there is a supporter.
Yes, now also based on your requirement for this one.
Okay.
Yes, this is a main board and power board and something subboard for the controller. This is a little different from the single and the double nozzle controllers.
Yes, and they are separated, so it's very convenient to maintain.
Yes, because it's vertical, right?
Yeah.
Horizontal or vertical?
Vertical.
Vertical.
Vert-
Because it's a vertical,
Yeah.
you can see everything connected in which way. It's either for engineer to do the maintenance and check
Yes.
what happened at the power pump. You can see we have the light here. If
Yes.
some lightning or not lightning or power
Yes.
off or power not off, you can find the problem.
Okay, so if I want to just buy the computer area, so how to ship it?
We have another installer. We can show you later.
Okay.
If you prefer like this one, we can do also. We package it with a hard carton box. Okay, don't
Okay.
worry. Okay.
Okay,
Let me show
that's
you
great.
the LPG dispenser. That
Okay.
controller little different.
Okay, let's have a look. Oh, there is two boxes inside.
Yes, this also has two box. The stainless one.
Stainless.
This is for the main board,
Okay.
and inside the export the box is for the power board because the power board is power come in, right?
Yes.
If you have problem, have burning,
Yeah.
so you must export box. This is an LPG type is a safety level more higher than the fuel
Yeah.
dispenser. So why there needs Xbox and a stainless box?
Oh, so it's a kind of protection.
Yes, protect keep safety for
Okay.
the station.
Looks very safety.
Yes.
So how about the horizontal area of the fuel dispenser?
Okay, let me open show you.
Edwin, I have a question.
Yeah.
Where is the pump?
This is submersible type of fuel dispenser.
Oh, submersible type.
Yes, this only has a full. This only in the horizontal type here, right?
Yes.
And flow meter, and the parcels.
Yes.
And the solenoid valves, export box, and the
Yes.
filter, the pump, and
the motor.
and the motors installed on the tanks. So
Okay,
let
can
me
you
give
show
you.
us the details.
Yes.
Oh, I noticed. I see here is the pump and
yes.
the motor.
Yes. So the pump installed on the manhole, the motor
It's
installed on-
inside the tank.
inside the tank because it's suction electrically. Okay.
So,
yes,
yeah.
please.
So it's how to push. They are pushing the oil to the fuel dispenser, right?
Yes.
And
yeah.
as I know, if the suction type, they are
Suction.
suck
Suction.
the fuel to the fuel dispenser.
Yes. So you can see the suction type has Bennett, Tatasuna, and
Yes.
Polkin. And
Bennett type
yes.
is this one.
Yeah.
I know it very much because many clients choose it because it has a cheaper price.
Yes.
But for which countries say like it?
Like in China, people usually use this one.
Okay.
And some like Zimbabwe. They like
Zimbabwe.
Zimbabwe.
Okay.
And something like the Tajikistan, like this one.
Yes.
Next one is Tatasunos.
Yes, Tatasuno type.
Yeah, Tatasuno type. This usually popular in Southeast Asia.
Southeast
like
Asia.
Indonesia
Indonesia,
and the what? Laos.
Laos,
Philippines.
Vietnam,
Vietnam, yes. And the Thailand,
Thailand,
Cambodia.
Cambodia,
Almost the Southeast Asia. And the Bangladesh.
Bangladesh.
And Pakistan,
Yeah.
yes, and another country like
Yes.
in the Africa,
In
Egypt,
Africa.
and Libya, and the
Oh,
Cameroon.
there are so many countries.
Yes,
And I see these two, the color are so similar, but this one is black color.
yes, black color one is a token field, is a token type, right?
Token, yeah.
Token is the raw material, usually main raw material is a cast iron.
Okay, cast
So
iron.
this is popular in Africa country usually, like Nigeria.
Nigeria.
And what's this name? Oh, Nigeria, Mozambique, Ethiopia, and what's another? Kenya,
Yes.
and
Kenya,
Ghana people have like this one.
Okay. I noticed there is a special type, BNT.
Yes, BMT type based on custom requirement. Some
Yes.
customer from Africa, like the token pumpers,
Yes.
but they prefer use a Benit or Tatasuna flow meter. I have another customer from Ethiopia. They prefer the Tatasuna pumps,
Oh.
but the flow meter usually tokens. This is based on customer.
This is so special.
Yes. So for the Benit and the Tatasuna, they use
Yes.
aluminum. The
Aluminum.
main raw material,
Yeah.
aluminum. But for inside, and other spare parts has plastic and
Plastic.
islands.
Okay.
So this Bennington and Tatasuna weight less than the tokens.
Okay.
Token is very heavy and not easily for customer to maintenance, but very strong
Yeah.
surface is no problem.
So it has a long time service.
Yes, Tatasuna and Token, they are the gear pumps.
Gear pump.
Yes, so working life more longer, but the flow rate little less than the Bennett. Bennett is a van pump.
Okay, so
yes.
the van pump has bigger flow rate.
Yes, 5 liter around higher than
Oh, about
the
5
liter or to 8 liter like this one than
Okay.
the gear pumps.
So fan pump has a higher flow rate.
Yes.
The gear pump less.
Less, but working life little longer.
Okay, so different countries will choose different types.
Yes, so based on your market, if which
Okay.
market is popular, so you can easily get the spare parts for maintenance.
Okay, so
Yes.
I see if the motor and the pump inside the machine, when it is working, there must be very noise.
Yes, because inside has the motors.
Yeah.
And the pump running and the suction have some noisy, right?
Okay, so submersible type will be very quiet.
Yes, much more quiet because
Okay.
tank install almost 150 meters from the fuel dispenser.
Oh, there must be very quiet.
Yes.
So if there have such as 6 nozzles,
Yes.
if use token, is it possible? Will be very heavy.
It's possible, but it's the size
Okay.
and the weight will be a little heavy. We don't suggest it.
Okay.
But you insist, we can do. It's no problem.
Oh, that's great.
One more thing, we have the 3 voltage of the motors, 220 and 380 and 110.
110.
This is for the standard fuel dispensers, for the suction type.
Yes.
Even the submersible type pumps,
Yes.
we have the 3 voltages based on
Okay.
you. But 110 not happen usually. There's some customer from the South
South America.
America
Okay.
order some.
Okay, so we can do any voltage as you like.
Yes, based on your requirement, we can do
Okay.
it. Even some guy like the DC 1, 2, and
Oh,
2.
DC also can do.
DC, we can use these models. We use
Okay.
another one, and usually mobiles.
Okay. So
Yes.
let's have a look of that one. I noticed there is a small screen. Looks
Yes.
very special.
Yes, this is small screen. Yes, this is a median, but now no USB driver and the
Yes.
SD card, so they cannot show you the photos and the videos. You
Okay.
can see, you can make some videos and photos for the advance of your station,
Yes.
or you can ask some. You can get some advance from another guy. They pay you.
Yeah.
You can make it and play on here.
Just use the USB.
USB.
It will be very convenient.
Yes.
And I see this keypad is different size as that one.
Yes, different.
And also a hole. What's the function of this?
This is for operation.
For operation.
This is IC cards.
IC card.
Yes. If you have IC card system buy from Answer, you
Yes.
can charge the card directly. Customer pay you the money, and you
Okay.
give the card. How much money charge, and they don't need to pay cash and put the card here. You
Yes,
can see
so-
the mountains how to filling directly.
So it's very convenient.
Yes, it's convenient for customer use, and you can no cash for the deals.
Yes. And I see it's very high.
Yes.
So is it possible to load it into the 20 GP container?
20 GP container is not enough.
Oh, so
And
cannot.
Yes, they need loading in 40 high-Q container.
Must be 40 high Q.
This our height almost 2.3. If with the package, will be 2.4.
Oh, very high.
So you had better with the 40 high-Qs.
Okay. And I see this hose is on the top.
Yes.
So what is the length of this hole?
For the high hose,
Yeah.
usually 4.5 meters.
4.5.
Yes, 4.5 meter.
If the low hand hose is about 3 meters, right?
Yes, lower than house and 3 meter usually.
So, and I see there is a special swivel.
You can try. No
Let
problem.
me have a try. What's the function of it?
You can do it.
Oh, I see it's very convenient. It will turn to any degree.
Yes. You can turn to any degree for suit the vehicles, because sometimes vehicles tank in another way. Your hose
Yeah.
is not enough. You need to change the angles and come to filling.
So it's really convenient.
Yes.
And also there is the emergency stop button.
Yes. So for the emergency time
Yeah.
happen, you close it, power off, and accident go.
Yes.
We turn around and fill dispenser, come back to work again.
Okay. And how about this one?
Oh, this one is a breakaway.
Breakaway.
Yes, this is original from OPW.
OPW.
Even for some famous brand like
Such
the
as,
OPW and Franklin
Yes,
and
Franklin.
the ZVA, we
ZVA.
can supply the original product for you also.
So what is the function of breakaway?
For the function, this
Yeah.
breakaway usually for the emergency time for some accident. So when you
Yes.
work, take off the nozzle and go filling the vehicles, right?
Yes.
They finish the filling, but
Yes.
your workers, employer
Yes.
and colleague, forget
Yes.
to take away, and the driver also forget check the car's mirror
So the nozzle still in your car.
in connected with my tank.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so the driver go away. Arrive some, so this one will break down and protect the fuel dispenser.
Oh, that's so good. So the machine will be protected.
Yes, if without breakaway, the fuel dispenser will be fall down. You will lose whole complete fuel dispenser. If with breakaway, you
Yeah.
just lost the breakaway.
This one.
and maybe some hose little broken.
Okay.
Another maybe not working, but the complete fuel dispenser here.
Yeah. So it's a kind of save money.
Yes, you save money. If the full fuel dispenser folder,
Yes.
you need to buy the complete one fuel dispenser.
Yes.
And need at least 2 or 3 days for install and
Yes.
testing, right? You just
Yes.
break away, break it down. We just buy the hose and another come back. We continue working.
Okay. I think it's very necessary.
Yes.
But in our standard parts, include this one
This break will not including
for
this.
your option.
Yes, for your option.
Okay. And I see there is LED.
Yes.
Can I have a look?
Yes, we go and see.
I think this one is very attractive.
Yes.
So I can put the words aside like on this
Yes.
LED screen.
Yes, you can put any language on the LED display because we are giving you software. You can
Okay.
install your laptop or PC, right?
Yes.
So you can edit the language and show what you need. And they are going around. They can go in left and down, going from top and down. Based on you, they can send.
Okay, so how to turn on, turn off it?
Turn on, turn off it. We have the button on the
Oh,
keypad.
there's a button.
On the keypad, you can just press it, you will turn on and turn
Okay,
off.
very convenient.
Yes.
And what's this? There's a small box.
You can open and see.
Let me open it. There is micro printer.
Yes, it's for printers you receive. So
Yes.
some customer want come to your station,
Yeah.
want filling, and then you ask you receive. You can print it directly. Let me
Okay.
try maybe 100 for sale, all right?
Okay, have a try.
Now they will go into 100 in few moments.
So later there will have a small ticket.
Moments. Ticket also need to press the button
Oh.
and get information.
Okay.
If you want more detailed operation with our fuel dispenser, please connect with the answer. And
Okay.
email me or connect Luna, we'll give you
Yes.
detailed information.
Please contact us.
Well, let me pair.
Okay, let's have. Oh, there is a small ticket.
Yes.
And the same.
Same, yes, the same.
So customer can keep it.
Yes, they can get the maybe they use the company cards. They can
Okay.
use this one get back as money.
Yes. And I see this one's screen is white.
Yes, this one is another operation of the screen. The white background and the black word based on the customer requirement. For white one, I
Yes.
think is African market customer like this one.
Okay.
Yeah.
But where is the keypad? Not in this side.
Yes, the keypad we use the side panel.
Your side panel.
Yes, if you prefer install on the foreign, we can do it, no problem.
Oh, we can do and put the keypad any place
Yes,
as you like.
but usually foreign and the side panel.
Okay.
Based on the design, because this is two nozzle, right?
Yes.
Usually put a side panel because
Yes,
nozzle can
two
go
nozzles.
go forward and go back easily for your
Okay.
operation. Yes.
Okay. So beside me, there is a special fuel dispenser.
Yes, the little special.
On the top, there is a solar panel.
Yes, it's solar panel that collect the sunshine and save the battery here.
So this fuel dispenser don't need electric.
Sometimes we have install motors, but
Okay.
this sunshine and battery not enough for take the motor to running. Just take the sunshine here, come to the battery and
Yes.
display to supply the power for the display and the electric controller.
Okay, so the solar panels working is just for the computer area.
Computer area.
So
And
how about horizontal area?
you can
How to drive it?
You can see here there is a menu handle.
Menu handle.
Yes,
Can I have
so-
a try?
Yes, you can have a try.
it can turn any from to any degree. Use
No,
this one.
just in 1 degree.
Okay.
In one
Can
side.
can only shake like this.
You only if you shoot another way like this one, right?
Yeah.
Feel not coming.
Oh,
This side
so
is a feeling.
so maybe we need a signal here.
A signal, you need to just when you no power, right?
Yes.
You open the door, and
Okay.
you will see the mark on the motors.
Okay.
All the,
They
the
have
pumps.
marks.
Yes, so you can just on which side you need.
Okay. So with manual drive, is it can also be used electric?
Yes. When power coming in,
Yes.
we have the controller here. The electric will shut off. Use your normal electricity.
Okay.
So motor can be running. If you don't like motors, we can
Yes.
remove motor and just manual handle. For this one, manual handle the flow rate like the 35 to 40. It's very
35 to
fast.
40.
Yes.
Okay. And I see there are different from set two machines.
Yes.
These three are separated.
Yes. So we call the separate display.
Oh.
Even the color different.
Okay. Yes. Different color, yellow.
Yeah.
And also have totalizer.
Yes. So this inside has the battery. If the
Yes.
20 ampere hours battery can
Yeah.
supply the working 80 hours for
Oh,
the
it
controller.
can supply 8 hours.
For the controller. If the 20 or 40 ampere hours, almost 16 hours.
16 hours.
So almost 1 day you can work in directly.
Okay. It's very convenient.
Yes. So you can see this one is a low handle.
Yes.
So for the hose,
Yes.
just 3 meter.
Yes.
If you prefer more longer one, we can do for you also. We can be 4.5 meters, right?
Okay.
Even this one for electricity stand for a meter is 40 to 45 liter per minute.
40 to 45.
If you want the heavy duty, we
Yes.
have stand one. The flow rate can be 35 to 80.
35 to 80.
So if you want more bigger,
Yes.
we can supply 101 to 106.
Oh, such
No,
a big.
105 to 150 along. If you want each more bigger, we can
Yes.
supply 25 liter,
25.
250
50.
around this
Yes.
one.
The
This-
flow rate are really big.
Yes, this one some customers usually install on the seaport for filling small
Yes.
boats, or some in their own staging house for filling the big trucks.
Yeah. So if there is so big flow rate, how about the nozzle?
So
Still use this one?
3/4 is not enough.
Not enough.
So if we one like the 80 liter per minute flow
Yes.
rate, this one usually use 1 inch.
1 inch.
If no 100 to 160, 1.5 inch.
1.5.
If no 200 like
Yes.
the 1.5 is also can be used, but more bigger we need to use 2 inch.
2 inch.
For
So
the
how about the hose?
hose is even need to
Okay,
replace.
also need to replace.
Yes.
And I'm still interested
Yes.
in the pump and motors.
Yes.
Can you show us in details?
Yes, so let us remove. We can see our spare parts.
Okay, see more spare parts. Let's have a look. I know this one, this black one, impressed me. I know the name is Tokin,
Yes,
right?
correct.
And
100%.
how about this one?
This one is a Bennett type.
Oh,
We just
the Bennett type.
see from the photos.
Yes, in the photos, Bennett, and this is Tatsuno,
Yes, Tatsuno.
the Japan brand.
Yes.
So, what's the advantages of them?
What I wanted, like for rate or
Like,
the,
like price. Customers usually
Price
choose the cheaper price.
for cheaper price,
Yeah.
lowest cost is
Yes.
Benito one, but the
Benito one.
quality still is okay, no problem. You can
Okay.
buy one for testing. We have the confidence about our product.
Yes. So how about the flow rate?
The flow rate is Benito is usually highest one,
Highest.
and Tatsuno and the
Yes.
tokens flow rate similar.
Similar. Okay.
Similar flow rate.
So in which countries is popular use token type?
For the token type, usually popular in African market.
In Africa, such
But,
as Nigeria,
Yes, Nigeria,
Kenya.
Kenya, yeah.
Okay. How about the Bennett? Bennett is for Asia countries,
Benito usually for Middle Asia countries.
Middle
like,
Asia countries,
Yes.
and Tatsuno one is for Southeast countries.
Yes.
So,
Yes.
so the material of these two is aluminum,
Yes. Or
and this one is cast iron.
yes.
So cast iron, the weight is very heavy.
Yes. Later you can try.
Let me have a try. I cannot move it. It's really heavy.
Yes, you can try the aluminum one and see it.
And let me try the Bennett flow rate. Oh, it's I can take it.
Okay. 等一下。
And also this one, I see there is different from these two top.
Yes, this one parcel the cover here. This one
Okay.
parcel install separate can be used directly.
So use different puzzle.
yes, the token one or this is a complete one and with the packaging. We will install the cover to protect.
So don't need this type. Don't need this one.
You
Remove
will-
it.
When you need to install and use, you need to
Okay.
remove. For now, just in the packaging.
So it uses same puzzle as token. Use Tatsuno. Same puzzle.
Different puzzle.
Different puzzle. Okay.
For puzzle, maybe next time I can take some sample. You will see it. It's more
Okay.
easily.
We'll show the puzzles next time.
So now let me review for Luna. Tell me answer something. Firstly, this is token, right?
Yes, token.
They tell answer is popular in the African market.
Yes.
But they have a special one in one country in Asia, Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka.
Use this one tokens also.
Yes.
For the African market, right, we can find this one also in some countries like Libya.
Libya.
Libya also use the Tatsunos. But more they are compared and mixed. Libya also use the gearbuckle. For gearbuckles, usually is a submersible one without the pump and the flow meter, right?
Oh, yes.
For the Benito one, in very special market like Laos,
Like Laos.
use the Benito,
Yes.
Tatsuno, and the tokens. They mix it.
Mix all three types.
Yes, so it's not too much real problem for them. And
Yes.
for the Benito, some in like the Chile, some customer buy the Benito also.
Okay.
And the Tatsuno one, some popular Southeast Asia country almost, but in some African countries they also use this one, like Uganda.
So if the client is new and he don't know how to choose it, what can we do? How to suggest?
Just tell me which market are you from,
Yes.
and how many pieces. Wantage, you tell me answer the wantage. Wantage is
Okay.
important, and all the quantity is no problem.
Also the quantity.
We can give the price directly.
Okay. So if you are interested in it, you can email us. Warmly welcome.
Yes. So for another one, we don't have the pump inside. It's a submersible one. Let us show the customer again. Show me
Okay.
the photo.
Okay. The submersible type, right?
So you can see from suction type, there are
Yes.
construction like this one from top to down, right? Or
Yes.
First one is a puzzle.
The puzzle.
parcel and a flow meter. The side you can flow meter per side you can see the solenoid valves. For the solenoid valves, this usually controls the electricity, not electricity. Oh,
No,
this is
controls the-
no make the accuracy more higher.
Accuracy,
More
okay.
higher. Even some fuel dispenser, you can remove the solenoid valves. They can work directly.
No need it.
No need it, but the accuracy will come down.
Okay, so if I need high accuracy,
Must
need
install some of the valves.
it. Okay, so
Because this has the two valves. One is a big valve and one
Yes.
small valve. When you begin to filling,
Yes.
two valves open directly and
Yes.
makes filling for it higher. When you arrive with 1 liter or 2 liters,
yes,
they-
just a small valve
big
working.
yes, big valve closed. A small
Okay.
valve open. For the closing later, the ranger, we
Yes.
can lose the key pipe to center it.
Okay,
So for the suction pumps type of fuel dispenser, this
Yes.
have the pumps,
Yes.
the motors. Middle has the express box for connect the powers.
yes,
So for the motors, we have the
110.
110 and the 220 and 380 is voltage for your operation.
Yes.
Because customer usually trust 220. If you
Yes.
have stable color with 380, we suggest you use the 380 because
Yes.
this color power voltage is more stable. But
Okay.
if from some countries like Tajikistan,
Yes.
customer told answer 380 no problem. But sometimes we go there for maintenance, the
Yes.
voltage or range is too different.
Okay,
But so we suggest you install the big stabilizer
Yeah.
to the station and can protect the whole fuel dispensers, whole stations.
so stabilizer not only for the computer area.
If you want, if we have the operation,
Yes,
because sometimes the electricity and the
Yes.
control usually broken, right?
yes,
So we suggest the customer install the stabilizer for our
Yes.
controller.
yes,
If you want to protect the whole station, right?
yes,
You give answer the power of the whole station, like air condition
Yes.
and a freezer, something like some lighting.
Yes.
What's the complete one? Or you,
yes, the whole machine.
another thing plus whole machine, just the machine. How many? Tell answer. How many machine you install? We will
Yes.
know and give a suggestion and
Okay.
install which kind of stabilizer for them.
Yes, so we have a professional engineer.
Yes,
can help
we
you solve any problems.
yes, we have the professional engineer can
Yes.
supply you many informations. So you can tell me what you want. So we
Yes.
can be negotiation, which is available, not another one, not available. You
Yes.
can take our suggestion or you can keep your opinion. It's no problem. But
Okay.
sometimes we need a negotiation for the business.
Okay, so now I have a question.
Yes.
When the oil is impurity, how to do?
Impurity with water or the dirty is something.
If with the water, how to do?
with
Can
the-
I use token?
Also can use the token. It's keep running is no problem.
Okay.
Or you install some like filter like this one.
Yes.
They will clean the waters.
Okay.
Well, they suction the water in the filter. But this filter usually 3 or 2 months you need to replace.
Okay. Can not reuse.
This one cannot be reused.
Okay. So I need to buy many filters.
Not many. One field is based on how many stations you have, how many fuel dispenser you have.
Okay.
If you have many stations and many fuel dispenser, you are big boss. It's less money, no problem.
But as I remembered, there is also filters inside this pump, right?
Yes, for inside the pump, just make the oil more clean by dirties, not the waters.
Okay.
This can be reclean and reuse, but
Okay.
100% use oil to
Yes.
clean the filters.
So I need to clean it such as 1 month.
No, like 3 to 6 months,
Oh,
based on
it's a long time.
such like if you feeling
Yes.
the flow rate go down, you
Okay.
must check the filter.
Okay. So the flow rate will tell me when
Oh, yeah.
to wash it.
Yes, yes. Even you think, but in China maybe it's 6 months clean one time.
Yes.
You need to maintain the filter, maintenance the pump more good. The working
Okay.
life will be more longer.
Okay, so there is a filter inside this pump.
Yes.
But how about the submersible type? Where is the filter?
Submersible type of filter will install on the piping line.
In the piping line.
Yes, well maybe inside they have the one filter here, the one filter here, the one filter here.
Okay,
to clean.
so it is not inside the tank.
Not inside the tank.
Okay.
Tank usually like 5 years. You need to clean the tank
Okay.
because how dirty on down
Yes.
very much.
Yes. So.
Yes. So now from suction type of pumps, and now let me explain the submersible types.
Okay.
Submersible type of fuel dispenser. Also top is parcels.
Yes.
Last one is flow meter.
Flow meter.
Also has solenoid valves.
Solenoid valves.
Last one is a filter without the pump and the motors. Also have exprove box also.
Yes.
So they are installed on the pump on the top
Yes.
in the main hose and the motor inside. If you have your tank, if you don't have any idea about the install, email us. We can give you some suggestion.
Okay, and I know this one is called a red jacket.
Yes.
And any others?
We also have another one is a blue jacket.
Blue jacket we also have.
The price is similar. The price is same. So based on your choice. For the motor, we have the one horsepower, 1.5 horsepower, 2 horsepower. Even if we want more big horsepower of the motors, we can give you. We can custom made for you.
Okay, so whatever you need, just tell us.
Yes, but based on the technician can arrive your requirement. Okay.
Okay. And Edwin, I see there is a box here.
Yes.
Is it computer parts?
Yes. Last time you asked me how to shipping it, right?
Yes.
So some we can do like this one and shipping more easily because we have shares.
Yes, so just pack it and then can ship it
directly.
Okay.
So because some customer, but this one is not easy for maintenance.
Yes, I see it's a total box and cannot see anything.
Yes, so these customers want to protect the controller.
Yes.
Don't let the customer to maintain this and open see what happened and to touch it. Maybe they may make some problem and make some broken.
Yes.
So for connect, you can see here directly key part 1 and 2, display 3, 4,
okay,
and temperature sensor. Temperature sensor usually for LPG.
For LPG.
Yes, because temperature sensor different.
Yes.
The LPG. The density is different.
Okay.
Okay. So density different, so the value different. Also, you need this one to calculate directly.
Okay.
And the parcel 6 and 7 LED controller signal. For LED, we have the separate box, board connected to our controller.
Okay.
Then be working. Not install with this directly. You can see.
Yeah.
Motor, valves, controller. See that? Relay, battery. For the battery, like this one.
Yes.
If your station don't have power, right?
Yes.
Filling on in the middle, like you get money 55. 55.75 like this one.
Yes, and I cannot remember it.
So you cannot remember, but this battery can supply the power for your display.
Okay.
You can get this money from customer, save some cost.
So even the electricity is gone,
yeah,
the display still shows How much you need to pay?
Yes, for shows your last time.
Okay,
Yes, this display can working 24 hours.
24 hours.
When you have when you get the money, you can
Yes.
press the
close
button
it.
and close it. If the power come back, they will
Yes.
recharge our battery.
Oh, it can recharge.
Yes, must be recharged.
Okay.
Not one-time use. You can see the power supply inside. Everything
Yes.
is here. Also, so this is more easily for you to install and to see it. Every mark is
Okay.
here.
Yes, it's very clearly.
Yes.
And how about this one?
This is the solenoid valves
Oh, solenoid valves.
for the accuracy.
So there are two valves.
It's 2 hours.
The big one and the small
Hold
one.
on, yes.
But I see that solenoid valve, just one,
Yes, this is special for the LPG use.
just for LPG.
Yes.
But what's the difference of these two?
You can see this one is auto surrender and this is flange for install. Because different design of fuel dispenser, right?
Yes.
So the area different.
Okay.
So we can do like this. Another, we also have the in-ear surrender. This is female male.
Male. It's a male.
It's a male. On inside is female one. Okay.
Okay, yes,
Okay,
yes.
get you. Even some customer like larger, like
Yes.
this one. One side the flange, another side the surrender. We can do it. That's no
This is
problem.
so special, but we also can do.
Yes.
Just different connector functions.
Yes. No, another connect only the install different. Another way also same.
And what's this? Such a big size.
Yes, you just
The
ask.
nozzle?
Yes, the nozzle.
I see the spout is really bigger.
Yes, it's a 2-inch manual one.
This one is 2-inch.
Manual one.
This one is manual one.
Yeah.
And that one is automatic. This
Yeah,
one
it's
is automatic.
automatic. Yes, it's a 1-inch nozzle.
Or this is 1-inch and that one is 2-inch.
1-inch nozzle is for flow rate can be around 80 liter per minute.
8 liter.
80.
80. Oh, 80 liters.
80 like this one.
80. And this one is small.
Yes.
The spout is small.
Yeah, this
So,
is this original famous brand is ZVA,
ZVA brand.
but we cannot put the logo. If you want the
Okay.
original one, we can do for you.
Okay, we also have.
Yeah, we can get the
But
original.
how about the OPW?
We can supply also.
Okay, we also can do.
Mm.
And there is a special one. What's this?
This is LPG nozzle. You just see
LPG nozzle.
on beginning.
Okay. And this one is our standard nozzle.
Standard nozzle 11A. Also,
11A.
this is from OPW. OPW also 11A.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So how about this jacket? Can I change different colors?
Yes, I have many colors. So which color you like, we can do for you, no problem.
Okay.
Yes.
And I see there is.
Let me turn around, okay?
Let's turn it. And I see there is more spare parts of us.
Yes.
And I see. This is the Russia
Yes.
and the gallon.
Yeah.
Just talked just now.
Yeah.
And the keypad, different material. The plastic one and the metal stainless. And I see there is different size LED screen.
Yes, this have 2 LED screen.
What's the difference between them?
The size different.
Different
First
size.
is the size different.
Yes.
First, secondly, install different.
Okay.
They are will be done of the area of the top to the controller.
Okay.
We are install this one.
Different.
For this one, we are install on for inside on the top directly.
Okay, I see there are small squares make it. So if there is one broken, can it keep working?
Still can keep working. Only this
Only
one.
this one. But how about this one?
This one, how? Let me see.
If some point broken.
So some point
whole LED is broken.
no. Some point
Can still keep working.
still you maybe see
Yes.
here don't have light.
Okay.
Come here, like this one don't have
Okay.
light. Okay.
And what's this big one?
This one
Looks very heavy.
Yes, it's very heavy. This is useful for the submersible type.
Oh, for submersible types.
The shift of valves. This one installed on the piping line. This
Yes.
one installed on the piping line, all right?
Yes.
Installed on the piping line. When you need to maintain the fuel dispenser, you need to shut off, so no fuel
Yes.
coming.
Okay.
Or if any accident happen, shut off. No fuel
Okay.
coming.
Just to cut the oil come out.
So because submersible pumps push the oil come from others.
Yes.
If you need to maintain any one of them,
Yeah.
you can't close the submersible pump.
Yes.
And other thing keep working. Just
Yes.
you shift over, cut off, and you maintain it.
Okay, so it will be very convenient.
Yes, it's very convenient for maintenance and for do the business.
Okay.
So to not stop business for the maintenance time.
Okay. And what's this one? With,
This is for LPG breakaway.
oh, this is also a breakaway.
Yes, another breakaway, but different designs for and different outside look for the LPG.
Yes,
Same
yes.
function.
Same function as the fuel dispensers.
Yes.
And this one is also for LPG.
It's a different pressure, different valves. LPG valves is for pressure.
For pressure.
If you come here, pressure different. They will make the pressure come same side. It's lose your flow meter.
Okay.
For
And,
this
this one.
smaller one is a safety valve.
The
for
safety
the
valve.
valves. We have updating with a more longer one as
Yes.
how make it more safety.
Okay, we have other types.
Yes.
And there are different colors, the hose.
Yes. There we have for the hose. We have many colors for operation.
Yes.
And it's in 3/4. If for 1 inch, we can do also.
Okay.
Basically, if you want the color for the hose, the price will be little higher.
Okay, so if you need other colors, it
Yeah.
will cost higher.
Higher, yes, but based on operation. For standard one is a black one. You
Okay,
can take it
black
directly.
one. And the black one has long service time.
Yes, color for even how long, but the color for working time, not the surface, the color,
Okay.
not longer than the black one.
Okay, so the color will turn lighter.
Yes, turn little lighter,
Okay,
like 3 or 5 years.
yes. So there are different sizes, I see.
Yes.
What's the size of this big one?
This
2
is
inch?
this is almost 2 inch.
2 inch.
So you can see if you want a big high flow rate like 200 around 250, you need a 2 inch, the 2 inch the hose firstly.
Yes.
Secondly, you need to use the 2 inch nozzles.
Yes.
Thirdly, you need a big pump in the fuel dispenser.
Yes, big
Thirdly, the motor also big. For the high flow rate, we suggest you use 380 voltage
380
because they can supply enough power and stable for
Okay.
use. If you use the 220, no problem. We also have, but the cost I think is same.
Okay.
From here, we can see the LCD display, right?
Yes.
We have the separate one from front and
Yes,
2-in-1
separate.
in the middle and 3-in-1 in last.
Yes.
For the colors, we have the blue, yellow, and the
White.
white. Okay. So I will have some customers like the orange,
Orange colors you
color.
can also design.
We can make it, but
Okay.
the order quantity need 20 units, like the
20 units.
20 to 25 or 24 units,
Okay, so
like the 20 GB container. If you
Okay.
have enough order quantity, any color we can make it for you. It's no problem, right?
yes.
For the words, we can
Yes.
display sell later price.
Price.
Also, we can
Liter,
total price per liters
can change.
can change based on you.
Okay.
Also, we have the decimal. Maybe you have two
Two decimals,
decimals.
three decimals.
We can use the keypad to issue it like that. But for your order, you need to tell me firstly. Then we
Yes.
can write on the program directly. Don't need to issue by keypad.
Okay.
For if you from another marketing, like if you from
Russian?
Russia yearly marketing, we can
Yes.
paint in the Russians. If you from the Thailand marketing side, we can paint in
Okay.
the Thailand.
Also for French.
If you from French marketing, we can print the French. If you
Okay.
from the Ethiopia, we can print
Okay.
the Ethiopian language. But even some customer like market like prefer use filling the gasoline, right? South Africa, right?
Yes.
And Middle Africa. They like the U.S. gallon.
Use
US
US
gallon. US gallon, we can do US gallon, but you need to tell me firstly. We
Okay.
need to issue the program with the collector calculation ways. If some customer prefer ampere gallon, it's from UK's. You can do the ampere gallon. We can fill in directly, no problem.
Okay.
For the vehicles, right?
Yes.
For the keypad, it's vehicles on horizontal. This is horizontal, right?
Horizontal and vertical type.
Or vertical, horizontal.
Yes.
We have the two different plastic and
Yes.
material, right?
Yes.
For the plastic, some people like plastic think it's good for use, no problem.
Yes.
This one for water exproof.
Okay, so if there's a raining day,
Yes, really, because we go to Africa and sea, right?
yes.
So fuel dispenser just install on the land, no
Yes,
cover on top.
yes.
So there's water exproof. So
Okay.
this series also there's water exproof.
So water also cannot go inside.
Yes, to protect only.
Okay.
So you can see the P1, P2,
Yes,
P3,
there is a
P4.
for special button. What is the function?
This function like this one, okay. P1 you can send in maybe is small motor, too much motor coming, right?
Yes,
Like 2 liters,
2 liters.
maybe 50 yuans,
Okay.
or you can send it. Don't need past 2 liter,
Yes.
50 yuan, and then this is shift off later.
Yes.
Input in later. Just
Just press it.
press it. You could just start.
So it can
For faster
faster
feeling, it
Okay.
shows the body's working time.
Okay, so it can save time and
Yes, sir.
feel more vehicles.
Yes, yes. Because you can see sometimes many motors coming, just
Yes.
stand online. This is
Yes.
very fast. Go,
Okay,
go, go, go.
it's really convenient.
Yes. So another one is horizontal one is from top to down. Top to down, it's the same,
Yes.
not too much different.
Yes. Okay, so time flies. Now it's time to say goodbye.
Yes, it's time to France. Time is flying. It's time to say goodbye, but it's,
Yes.
we cannot waiting. I don't want to go away. So happy to hear you, to see you here again. So
Yes.
next week, same time,
Okay,
you will see the Cindy come here and show you around.
okay, see you next Monday. Next Tuesday.
For next Tuesday, we'll show you
Yes.
around also. If you have any problem, any option about the fuel dispenser, LPG
Yes.
dispenser, and the filling station construction, and even the some spare parts for filling station, like the tank, UPP pipe, and the air compressor. Even your station has the maintenance for the vehicles. For this machine, you can share our information. We can give you the price directly. We have want to begin to one-step solution factory now. So